Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. PlayVibe makes a great set of magnetic tiles for your kids to play with. We love playing with these as a family. And what's really neat is that these actually are compatible with other magnetic tiles. So if you already have some, you can go ahead and add these to your collection. It helps children to acquire a strong sense of color, geometric shapes, 3D forms, numbers, counting. This is aged for 3 and up, and my son makes some really cool, creative things with these tiles. We love to play with these with him. If you're looking for a great toy where your child can use their imagination, be creative, get off of those screens a little bit, then I would highly recommend these. I love the different shapes and all of the colors. It also comes with these cars. It has 2 cars, and my son uses them as a train. These are really high quality with wheels that function really well. This would also be a great gift for a friend, a family. These are really easy to use, and these have premium magnets on them, which ensure a strong hold, and it makes it really easy to assemble. These also help with critical skills, including motor skills, hand-eye coordination, cognitive ability, problem solving. So if you have a kid that loves to build, then I would not hesitate. These have been wonderful. My son will play with these for hours. Yes, I said hours. And that's my point of view.